All right. So, as some of you might be interested on getting a Google Drawing or a drawing into your website, I present to you Google Drawings. So it's if you Google Drawings, it'll be the first hit that comes up, and you just click on it, and it will go into your drawings. So this is sort of found within your Google Drive. You can do like create new Google Drawing, but this is, I find, the easiest way to do it. So you can obviously name it. So this is going to be like whatever you want to name it. Flow chart, flow for project, whatever you want, and then you can have it. So where I found those things were different arrows. I think there were arrows, and you can use different things in there. So let's say you've got an arrow that going. Now you're saying, well, I want it to go down, so I just hold this and rotate 90 degrees. So like start project. So you can obviously see that that is off to the side. So we want to change the text. We want to rotate it. So flip horizontally, flip vertically. If I remember correctly. Let's put this back over here for a second. Project. And then we want to format shape. I don't want to do that. All right, so I just noticed that I had taken the wrong arrow out. So if you want it to point to the left or to the right, then you take those ones, but I had wanted it to point down. So down arrow is the one that I ended up picking up for this one. So I'm just going to delete this one. Boom. So we're going to start project, and then we can take another one here. So arrows, maybe we have a decision, so an if statement within there. So you have it that the temperature value or something like that, and then if it's plus, or we can have a little text box over here that we can add in, say less than 30, a little bit. And then what I'm just going to do, because I'm selected, I'm going to copy and paste it, and then we're going to say greater than 30. And then we can have a call out here going down. So below 30 would be what? Like, well, let's pick something more reasonable, like if it's below 10 and 10. So below 10 would be like definitely wear a sweater. Wear a sweater. And then this one, I can just copy and paste that one because I'm trying to be efficient with my time. And then this one would be like wear okay, so obviously this isn't maybe a project, but or maybe you want to display that. Maybe you can display wear a sweater on the LED. Great. And then this one would be the same thing. So display quote on LED. Perfect. And we can do that. So that's it. That's my project. So I now will go up here and go share. And so who do I want to share it with? Well, again, I want to make sure that it's accessible to everybody. So I'm going to go in here and say anyone with link can view. I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to go back over to my website. I'm going to double click. I'm going to embed. And now I have that link, so I can just paste it right here. Check and see that it works. Looks great. And insert that into my web page. And so now you'll see that we have both our microbit code and our drawing in there. And now, obviously, these are not the same. So let's say I'm going to drop this down into another one here, and then I can write in plain English, this project is to display a star at the beginning. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to type. So, project, oh, didn't grab display. A star at the beginning of the program. That's it. And then here we can either embed our code or whatever that we'll have. And so that's a couple of examples on what we can do with it. I hope that helps you with getting started with creating your page, adding some pages, embedding your microbit projects, and embedding a drawing if that interests you. If you have any more questions, please reach out and I will be happy to share during one of our synchronous sessions or share via one of these videos. Thanks very much, and excited to see your projects. Bye again.